Good afternoon, guys. We are back to metal detecting the beach today. Got a target right here. From 4 to 13 it's coming up, and a grunt. Looks like pull tap. Right there we go. Looks like a fishing weight, guys. Heavy. Sounds like maybe just a penny. Space bug. Here we go. I'm getting too many of these, but I'll keep it because I lose a lot of them too. It's a screamer. All over the place. Kind of sound like might be a cell phone. Nice and quiet now. All right. Another cell phone. Gosh darn it. So many cell phones. So I'll take you with me when I go and sell last month's iPhones. I'm just waiting for a couple of them to get over 90 days. Try to fill this in with some of that sand I took out. Alright, let's see if there's anything near that cell phone. Right there. So if they lost their cell phone, they probably lost their keys. Oh, that's even better. It's a quarter. I'll take a quarter over a partial cell phone any day. Alright. See if this is just a deposit area right here. Hey guys, can you see it in there? Can you see that hole? Alright. I'm going to do my best in trying to finagle that out. I'm going to have to walk in. Alright. Okay. Well, looks like I got a ring. That's nice. It's a small one. Oh. My pants are wet. Or my shorts are wet. Okay, let's get a better look at it. It's a small one. Can't really tell. Fits my pinky, but it's small. Looks like silver. Okay guys, on to the next. Down the side of it. Man, it is all over the place. It's like a cell phone. Quiet, got it out. I think this is far enough up. It's a ring. It's a ring. How about that sunset, huh? Now you know why this is Sunset Beach. Alright guys. I think it's just a tungsten. Nice and big. Alright. Looks like another ring. Into the pocket. Okay, see if we can find some cousins of that made of gold. Well, was coming up at 27. But you never trust the first target. Saying, oh, it's out already, huh? Sounds more like a bottle cap. How about a penny? Alright, guys. It's nice and clean on one side, but it is trashed on the other. Alright. Alright, got a quarter out of the hole. Walking on my way to the car. Okay guys, on to the next. Alright guys, so last look at the sky there. I'm gonna share it with you. It's beautiful out there. Yeah. Let's see what that is. Bottle cap. Oh, it's a ring. A little tiny ring. Just a kid's ring. All right. How nice was that? Makes it like 3 rings today. Not too bad. Well, 3 rings today for a little hunt in the afternoon. I guess it wasn't too little. See, I got here at 4. Yeah, 3-hour hunt. I guess that's little for me. Hopefully, the shower's open for me. Hi guys, here's the wrap up. Actually, wrap up 2 days later. So here's the fishing weights. I know you didn't see me dig as many fishing weights, but this one here actually broke off. I actually like these. These are some of my favorite, but it broke off, which is good. I didn't want it to break off on me. You saw me dig this one. You saw me dig the cell phone. Alright, not sure if you saw me dig these. I know you didn't. Suspicious about this one. I'm not going to toss it. I want to cut it and see if it's possibly meteorite. I looked at this one going, why is this so round? But if you look real careful, it's actually a square nut. See the hole on the inside? Alright, got a hole in the inside and it's a rounded dome on the top. It's just a rusted up, so it's junk. This is, I was suspicious of being meteorite as well. Doesn't have quite the weight that I like, but it is deteriorated fragment of something. So sometimes that salt water is awfully corrosive. Those meteorites dissolve out there actually. And what has me suspicious on this one is this leading edge, this where the heat has caused this to darken when it fell out of the sky, and then when it hit the salt water it cooled rapidly and just started. It's an unusual piece, so I'm not sure if it's actually a meteorite, but this is kind of a giveaway. I do find quite a few meteorites out there. I'll show you at some point when I can confirm one for sure. Alright, I have a couple. You saw me dig the cell phone. This thing is just junk. It's trash. Glad to have it off the beach. You probably didn't see me dig this. This is one of the first targets. I forgot all about it. Guys, when you come to the beach, I know you guys can tell when these guys are not good targets, but I'm gonna ask you, go ahead and dig them. Let's remove these fish hooks. I know you don't have to, but I mean, go ahead. I mean, I know I can walk over a fish hook, but I'm gonna dig it anyways. Would this take 5 minutes out of my life? Making sure not one of them went into a kid who plays at my beach a lot, you know. I love finding these. I don't know why anymore. It's just, how did that survive so many years? You know what I mean? Several pennies. You didn't see me dig all these pennies. And I don't know if you guys even saw me dig a dime. I actually, on the way out, was finding all kinds of targets in this dry sand versus the wet, which is unusual. Got 3/4, and then here's the 3 rings. This one is silver. It does say 925 on the inside, but it is tiny, skinny. Hardly any weight to it. Alright. This one is a tungsten carbide. Nice and heavy. And actually fits me very well. Alright. And then this is a little kid's ring. Golden color. Yeah, I don't even want to say gold plated. Golden color. How about that? But it was a fun hunt. And if you like my videos, hit like. I need more subscribers, so please subscribe. Share on Facebook. All those wonderful things. Don't forget to ring the bell. I got several videos coming here real soon because I have a backlog of video right now. Alright. So stay tuned, guys. I'll see you on the next.